Hi children, good morning each and everyone. Dear children, in the previous session we have learnt the equation of a line passing through a point and parallel to the given vector, and the equation of a line passing through two points. So dear children, today in the session we will solve some problems based on the previous concepts. Here we have find the vector and Cartesian equation of the line passing through the point 5, 2, minus 4 and which is parallel to the vector 3i plus 2j minus 8k. So now this is in the form of equation of a line passing through a point and parallel to the given vector. Here what is the point? That is 5, 2, minus 4. Therefore a of x1, y1, z1 corresponds to, so that is 5, 2, minus 4 which can be written as a bar is equal to 5i plus 2j minus 4k, and the parallel vector b bar is equal to 3i plus 2j minus 8k. So now we need to find both vector and Cartesian equations. We have a vector equation, so that is we have vector equation, that is r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda into b bar. So this is the vector form of a equation which is passing through the point a and parallel to the vector b. So again that is equal to a bar. Here we have 5i plus 2j minus 4k plus write the lambda as it is, lambda of b bar we have 3i plus 2j minus 8k which is the vector form. Next we need to find Cartesian equation. Therefore we have Cartesian equation, that is x minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c. Substituting the values of x1, y1, z1 and a, b, c. Here a, b, c are the direction ratios of the parallel vector. Here b bar is the parallel vector, that is 3i plus 2j minus 8k. Just compare this with standard equation, that is b bar is equal to ai plus bj plus ck. Therefore what is a? We have 3. What is b? We have 2. What is c? We have minus 8. Substituting the values. Therefore x minus x1. What is x1? x1 corresponds to, that is 5. X minus 5 divided by a, that is 3. Again that is equal to y minus y1. What is y1? We have 2. 2 divided by b, we have 2. Again that is equal to z minus we have z1 minus 4, that is minus 4 by c, we have minus 8. Again simplification, that is x minus 5 by 3 is equal to y minus 2 by 2 is equal to, here z minus of minus becomes a plus, z plus 4 by minus 8, which is the Cartesian equation of a line. Next, find the vector and Cartesian equation of the line passing through the point 1, 2, 3 and which is parallel to the vector 3i plus 2j minus 2k. Again given a bar, I am just directly writing this. A bar is equal to, we have I plus 2j plus 3k plus 3k, and b bar is equal to, we have 3i plus 2j minus 2k minus 2k. So we need to find the vector and Cartesian equation. So therefore we have vector equation, vector equation, that is r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda into b bar, lambda into b bar. Again that is equal to a bar I plus 2j plus 3k plus write the lambda as it is, that is lambda of b bar. So that is 3i plus 2j minus 2k minus 2k, which is vector form. Next we need to find Cartesian form. Therefore we have Cartesian form, Cartesian equation or form, that is x minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c. Again that implies x minus x1. What is x1 here? We have 1 by a value. What is a value? We have 3 is equal to y minus y1. So y1 is equals to 2. 2 by, again b value we have 2. Again that is equal to z minus z1. We have 3 by, so c value we have minus 2 minus 2. So which is vector which is Cartesian form. Next, find the equation of the line in vector and Cartesian form that passes through the point with position vector 2i minus j plus 4k and is in the direction I plus 2j minus k. Similar question. So given a bar is equals to 2i minus j plus 4k and b bar is equals to I plus 2j minus k. We need to find both vector as well as Cartesian form. So we have vector form, that is r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda into b bar. Therefore that is equal to a bar. So we have 2i minus j plus 4k plus write the lambda of b bar. What is b bar? We have I plus 2j minus k. Again, so we need to find the Cartesian form. So we have Cartesian form, that is x minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c. Again that implies x minus x1. What is the value of x1? We have 2 by a, that is 1 is equal to, so y minus y1. What is the value of y1 here? We have minus 1. So minus 1 by b value we have 2, that is equal to z minus z1. What is z1? We have 4 by c, that is minus 1. Again simplification. Now simplifying this, that is x minus 2 by 1 is equal to y minus up minus becomes plus 1 by 2. Again that is equals to z minus 4 by minus 1. You must write compulsory 1. Next, find the Cartesian equation of the line which pass through the point minus 2, 4, minus 5 and parallel to the line given by x plus 3 by 3 is equal to y minus 4 by 5 is equal to z plus 8 by 6. We need to find the Cartesian equation. So we have a Cartesian form, that is x minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c. That implies x minus x1. Here what is the value of x1? We have minus 2 by a value we have 3. Again that is equals to, see we know that a, b, c are the direction ratios of the parallel vector. Therefore a is equal to 3, b is equal to 5, c is equal to 6. Again therefore y minus y1, what is y1? We have 4 by b value 5. Again that is equal to z minus z1, that is minus 5 by c, that is 6. Again simplification, that implies x minus into minus becomes plus, x plus 2 by 3 is equal to y minus 4 by 5 is equal to minus into minus plus, that is z plus 5 by 6, which is the Cartesian equation. Next, find the Cartesian equation of the line which pass through the point 1, 2, 3 and parallel to the given line. X plus 2 by minus 1 is equal to y plus 3 by 7 is equal to 2z minus 6 by 3, and also find its vector equation. Here given the equation of a line, that is given. So x plus 2 by minus 1 is equal to y plus 3 by 7 is equal to 2z minus 6 divided by 3. So now we need to convert this equation in standard form. So we have a standard form, that is x minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equals to z minus z1 by c. That is always the coefficient of x must be 1. Similarly coefficient of y and coefficient of z. So we'll convert this into standard form, that is x minus of minus 2 by minus 1 is equal to y minus of minus 3 is equal divided by 7 is equal to, so take 2 common outside, that is 2 of z minus 3 by 3. Again that is x minus of minus 2 by minus 1 is equal to y minus of minus 3 by 7 is equals to z. So bring this 2 to denominator, therefore we have z minus 3 by 2. So now we need to find Cartesian equation. So we have a Cartesian equation, that is x minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b, that is equal to z minus z1 by c. Again that implies, here what is the value of x1? 1. So that is x minus 1 by a value we have minus 1 is equal to y minus y1 we have 2 divided by b value we have 7, that is equals to z minus z1 3 divided by c, we have c, that is 3 by 2, which is Cartesian form. Then we need to find the vector equation, which is given by r bar is equals to a bar plus lambda into b bar. Again that is equal to, what is a bar here? That is I plus 2j plus 3k, I plus 2j plus 3k plus lambda of b bar. What is b bar? It is a parallel vector whose direction ratios are minus 1, 7, 3 by 2. Therefore that is minus I plus 7j again plus 3 by 2k. So this is the vector equation. Next, the Cartesian equation of a line is x minus 5 by 3 is equal to y plus 4 by 7 is equal to z minus 6 by 2. then write its vector equation. So he has given the Cartesian equation, we have to write its vector equation. So given x minus 5 by 3 is equal to y plus 4 by 7 is equal to z minus 6 by 2. So convert this to standard form. So x minus 5 by 3 is equal to y minus of minus 4 by 7 is equal to z minus 6 by 2. So now which is in the form of x minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c. So now we need to find vector form. So what is vector form? We have that is r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda into b bar. Again that is equal to, we have x1, y1, z1. That is we have 5i minus 4j plus 6k plus lambda of b bar. So we know that b bar is a parallel vector whose direction ratios are 3, 7, 2. Therefore that is 3i plus 7j plus 2k to k, which is the vector form of a equation. The Cartesian equation of a line is x plus 3 by 2 is equal to y minus 5 by 4 is equal to z plus 6 by 2. So find its vector form or write its vector form. So given x plus 3 by 2 is equal to y minus 5 by 4 is equal to z plus 6 by 2. So convert this to standard form. Therefore x minus of minus 3 by 2 is equal to y minus 5 by 4 is equal to z minus of minus 6 by 2. So we need to convert this to standard form. X minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c. Here therefore, so vector equation, vector form is r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda into b bar. Again that is equal to, here we have a bar minus 3i plus 5j minus 6k plus lambda of, we have b bar that is 2i plus 4j plus 2k to k. Next, find the vector and Cartesian equation of the line passing through the minus 1, 0, 2 and 3, 4, 6. Now this is in the form of equation of a line passing through 2 points. So here given that is a bar is equal to minus I plus 0j plus 2k and b bar is equals to 3i plus 4j plus 6k. Here we need to find b bar minus a bar, subtraction of two vectors, b bar minus a bar, that is equal to, so 3i minus I, that is 3 minus of minus 1 plus 1, so 3 plus 1 we have 4i. Again 4 minus 0 we have plus 4j. Again so 6 minus 2 we have plus 4k. Dear children, b bar minus a bar, this minus 3 minus of minus 1 we have plus 4 minus 0 we have 4j, 6 minus 2 we have 4k. Again therefore vector equation is given by vector form. So that is r bar is equals to a bar plus lambda of b bar minus a bar, b bar minus a bar. Again that is equals to, what is a bar? We have minus I plus 2k plus 2k plus lambda of b bar minus a bar. We have 4i plus 4j plus 4k plus 4k, right? Next we need to find Cartesian equation. So that is Cartesian form is that we have x minus x1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1, that is equals to z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. Again that implies x minus x1, we have minus 1, so minus of minus becomes plus 1 by x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1, that is 3 minus of minus 1 is equal to y minus y1, that is 0 by y2 minus y1, that is 4 minus 0. Again that is equals to, we have z minus z1, so that is 2 by z2 minus z1, that is 6 minus 2. Again simplification, we have that is x plus 1 by, so 3 minus of minus becomes plus 1, so 3 plus 1 we have 4 is equal to y minus 0, we have y, 4 minus 0 we have 4, that is equal to z minus 2 by 6 minus 2 we have 4, which is Cartesian equation. Next, find the vector and Cartesian equation of the line passing through the origin and 5 comma minus 2 comma 3. Here given origin, that is x1 is equal to 0, y1 is equal to 0, z1 is equal to 0, that is a bar is equal to 0i plus 0j plus 0k, and b bar is equal to, that is 5i minus 2j plus 3k plus 3k. So equation of a line passing through the 2 points, that is 0 comma 0 comma 0. He has given origin. Origin means the coordinate will be what? 0. X is equal to 0, x1 is equal to 0, y1 is equal to 0, and z1 is equal to 0. We have x2 is equals to 5, y2 is equals to minus 2, z2 is equal to 3. Okay. Therefore, so we have a Cartesian equation or vector equation, vector form, that is r bar is equals to a bar plus lambda of b bar minus a bar. Again that is equals to a bar, we have 0, okay, that is plus we have lambda of b bar minus a bar, this minus this, so we have 0 minus 5 minus 0, we have 5, that is 5i. Again minus 2 minus 0, we have minus 2j. Again 3 minus 0, we have plus 3k, that is equals to lambda of 5i minus 2j plus 3k. Next we have a Cartesian form. That is x minus x1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. That implies x minus, what x1 value? Origin. What is origin? That is 0. So 0 by x2 minus x1, that is x2, 5 minus 0, so that is 5 minus 0 is equal to y minus y1. What is y1? 0 by y2 minus y1, that is minus 2 minus 0 is equal to z minus z1. What is z1? We have 0. Origin means that is 0 comma 0 comma 0. Again by z2 minus z1, 3 minus 0, so there is 3 minus 0. Again that implies x by 5 is equal to y by minus 2 is equal to z by 3. So find the vector and Cartesian equation of the line passing through the points 2. Next, find the vector and Cartesian equation of the line passing through the points 3, minus 2, minus 5 and 3, minus 2, 6. So here given a bar is equals to 3i minus 2j minus 5k, b bar is equal to 3i minus 2j plus 6k. So b bar minus a bar is equal to subtraction of two vectors. So 3 minus 3 we have 0i, again minus 2 minus of minus becomes plus, minus 2 plus 2 becomes 0, that is 0j, again so 6 minus of minus 5, that is plus 5, that is 6 plus 5 we have 11k. Therefore the vector form is given by r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda of b bar minus a bar. Again that is equal to a bar we have that is 3i minus 2j minus 5k plus lambda of b bar minus a bar we have 11k. So similarly Cartesian form is x minus x1 by x2 minus x1 is equals to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. Substituting the values of x1, x2, y1, y2, z1, z2. Again that implies x minus x1. What is x1? We have 3 by x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1, that is we have 3 minus 3 is equals to y minus y1. What is y1? That is minus 2 by y2 minus y1. We have minus 2 minus of minus 2. Again that is equals to z minus z1. What is z1? That is minus 5 by z2 minus z1, that is 6 minus of minus 5. Simplification that implies x minus 3 by 0 again is equals to we have y minus of minus plus y plus 2 divided by, see here minus becomes plus, minus 2 plus 2 we have 0, again that is equals to z minus of minus becomes plus 5 divided by, so minus of minus plus 6 plus 5 we have 11, so which is in Cartesian form. Okay children, try to practice these questions at home. Thank you.